Hello friends, in today's video I'm putting the finishing touches on the PBY. This is Academy's 172 scale black cat offering, and overall I'm pleased with the kit and how it turned out. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and don't forget about becoming a channel member. These quick boost resin engines are a pretty significant upgrade from the kit parts, but obviously not required. In order to use them, there are a couple very minor modifications to make, the first being how the propellers are attached. The kit part has a long post that slips through the back of the engine so you can allow the propellers to spin if you want. So to use the resin upgrade parts, I drilled a hole in the tip of the resin engines to accept the smaller diameter of the post. So after I had clipped off the end of the post, I glued them into the back side of the propellers to give an attachment method. I temporarily glued the nacelles on for painting using a few dots of PVA glue so they could easily be removed now to install the resin engines. The only other slight mod to the resin part was to clip off a tiny amount of what I think would be the magneto located at 12 o'clock on the engines, so it just clears the inlet duct at the top of the nacelle. That was it, so pretty straightforward upgrade. Whenever it's time to start removing the masking from the transparencies, it's kind of a cool part in the project because you know you're almost to the finish line. And I was excited to see if all that hard work that was done in part 1 of the video series, adding all those interior details, had paid off. And looking through those bubble canopies and seeing all that detail inside was really cool. Glad I did it. Yeah, so for some reason I decided to make this last step 10 times harder than it needed to be, and I decided to glue the wing struts on first. And only did 2 of them because I realized it was dumb in the in the middle of it. But I did use PVA glue there to glue the main wing on, because PVA glue is a little bit more flexible, so if the wing takes a hit, it could kind of flex a little bit. And now I'm stuck trying to glue the upper part of the strut on, but anyway, it was just kind of funny. This is the much easier way to do it. And with the 4 wing struts glued in place, I can put a couple little finishing touches on the model. Looking at reference photos, it looks like these planes leaked oil like crazy, so I decided to use AK's engine oil, which is an enamel based effect, and drag the brush over an old airbrush needle and splatter some of the oil down on the side, and then use a brush to kind of simulate gravity taking over and having this oil streak down the side. But with that, this model is done. I hope you enjoyed this series and enjoyed the final result. I certainly had fun creating these videos for you.